Morning folks. I just wanted to share with you today's win. Today's win is the fact that it's not raining. That might seem like a really small win, but I had to take my car to the garage this morning, and then me and the amazing Bruno are walking back. And we'd have had to do it whether it was raining or not. So the fact that it's sunny means it's a gorgeous walk, and I don't have to put up with the stinky wet dog smell. Now we know that there's a lot of shit going on at the minute, so let's look forward to the small wins, which can all add up to making for a great day. Well, I hope you all have a great day. See you later.